Ryobi today. So, a lot of people have asked for these, so finally got one in to show you, and we've got this flashing light here at the bottom. So, same as all the others, I'm going to test the voltage, and you do it slightly differently on these ones because it's the stick type one. So, same settings on your meter, but you're actually just testing across here. Now this one seems all over the place. And you can see the negative and positive on top, hopefully. That's why I've got black on left, red on the right. So here's mine. This is what they should read. So I'm just going to show you how it would look normally. So same again, just across the top, and you're talking about 20. That's where you want to be. Something around there. So we'll get the screws out, and then we'll take this apart. Do a bit of a tear down here, in case you haven't seen inside these before. Really standard though, just like the others, but with a big stick on the top. So normal stuff here. I'll do an inspection as I go, look for any terminals or anything like that that have come apart, any corrosion, that sort of stuff. But this looks basically brand new. There's nothing on here, no marks, no corrosion, no contaminations got in, which is good. And I know the customers actually looked on this and they've told me the cells are good and we think it's the board. So I always like to check, not that they're telling me anything that's ever inaccurate, it's just I like to check. And in this case you can see they're totally right. All of these cells are good. These can definitely be brought up and we'll get to about 20 at the end. So if all the cells are good, the next thing I do is turn to the board. All the terminals are connected at the ends, all the different basically steel strips rather than nickel strips at this point, all connected. So the question, the mystery if you like, is still this. Why is it this voltage? So you've got to start checking where it comes in. So we're getting up to the board, as I've just showed you there. We're getting there and we've got 18. So all of these are okay. The ends here, we're getting 18 from these points. So where does that voltage go? So you could just chase it along, as I'm doing here. So we can see there, 18 there, 18 here. As we go into the components here at the bottom, we've got 18. As we come out of the first one, we've still got 18, which is good news. As we go into the next one, we're talking 18, but where we come out, that's the problem. So this is where it starts to go wrong. So we know it's that component there. So there's a few things we can do. We could find out exactly what that is, get that one if it's available and change it out. But the very simplest thing here, as I do with others, is just to take that board off, put a new one on, and then we're working again. So that's going to be the solution here. Got the board on order. As soon as it comes, I'll take these out, pop the new one on, and we'll be good.